Hi guys, welcome to the channel Tamil Tradition to Marathi. Do subscribe and click the bell icon. Today's recipe is a normal cake, a basic cake for beginners. This cake is made up of no eggs, so even vegetarians could try it. Try not to change the ingredients level and steps. I am adding 1 teaspoon of lemon juice to the milk. Mix it well and rest it for 10 minutes so that the buttermilk is formed. Next comes the powdered sugar. Here I am adding 4 tablespoons of powdered sugar to the buttermilk. Mix it well until the sugar is completely dissolved. Next is oil. Here I am adding 4 teaspoons of oil. Always add a non-flavor oil for making the cake. For beginners and also a normal size of cake, 7 tablespoons of maida is enough. If you want to add more, change the ingredients level also accordingly. Mix it well. We don't want any lumps in the cake. Some baking soda, little bit of tutti frutti, and also a half teaspoon of vanilla essence. As I am doing this cake for the beginners, I am using the spoon. If you are available with the spatula, then use that. The consistency of the cake is little bit thick. To make it runny, I am adding 3 teaspoons of milk. After mixing with milk, the batter should look like this. Yeah, the batter is ready. You can take any steel bowl or you can take a cake mold. Just grease it with a little bit of oil or butter. If you want to add a little more tutti frutti, add at this stage. Preheat the cooker for 10 minutes in the medium flame. See, I have not added any sand or salt on the bottom. After keeping the batter, remove the gasket and wait and keep it in the low flame for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, open the cooker and check using a toothpick. If nothing sticks, then the cake is ready. Tip of the day: if you want to make the cake layers crusty, keep the cake in the stove after the stove is off for 10 more minutes. If you take it out, the cake layers outside will be crusty and the inside it will be more softer. See how soft and fluffy inside. Do try it and tell me your comments in the comment section. Thank you so much guys for watching the video. Do subscribe and click the bell icon.